Okay, wonderful.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Hey guys, we're here at Chef Arts today in Disney Springs, and Charles is already eating. We ordered some starter biscuits, they're cheddar cheese biscuits, and we're here for brunch today, so we're gonna have some yummy goodness. Charles, how are the biscuits? He's smiling. They're very
They're good.
flaky.
Very good.
He's the gravy.
The gravy's
Yeah.
excellent.
So they kind of look like a Cheddar Bay biscuit from Red Lobster, but on steroids. Much fluffier, a lot larger, very flaky. Oh, deliciously smelling. He said the gravy was the way to go.
Comes with some sawmill gravy, but it also comes with some blackberry jam.
There you go.
Thank you.
What I do is I just drizzle all over the top of the biscuit, let it sop, the gravy sop into it. I'm probably going to eat one in a minute.
Have a seat.
Alright, so he suggests dousing your biscuit in the gravy and letting it melt into it. So, Charles is going for it. There you go.
Well, we're from Tennessee, so we're gravy and biscuit people anyway.
Yeah, we are. Yeah,
But I've never quite had gravy and biscuit with like cheddar biscuits.
right.
Normally it's just buttermilk biscuits.
Yeah. Good sawmill gravy.
Yeah, the gravy's really good. There's a
Excellent
fine
choice.
art to making gravy.
There is. Alright, he just took all of the gravy and put it on his biscuit. Alright.
There's more gravy right there.
Oh, I know. I'm just aggravating you.
This is my gravy. Get your own gravy.
Is it good?
It is.
Delicious.
It's like a southern gravy biscuit, but it's got a little heat in it too from I guess the jalapenos, or I guess that's jalapenos, isn't it?
I'm gonna try a little bit of the jam.
Is it blackberry or blueberry?
It's blackberry jam. It's not overly sweet. It's really good. Alright, we're gonna dig into this.
I love blackberry.
I'm gonna let him try this jam. It's good, isn't it?
That's really good blackberry jam. The gravy's got a little heat to it from the jalapenos.
We are going to dig into this, and we'll be back with our main course. Charles got the southern poutine, which is tater tots with, what's it, pulled pork?
Pulled pork.
Gravy, 2 sunny side up eggs, sprinkled with bacon, and there's bacon throughout. Gosh, that looks fantastic. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And I got the Hallelujah biscuit with potatoes. Whoa, my camera's doing something crazy. With potatoes au gratin. This is an open-faced biscuit with fried chicken, pimento cheese, scrambled eggs, bacon, and gravy. I know, so much, right? Looks great. All right, guys, we got our main courses. Charles got a poutine. It's tater tots smothered in gravy with pulled pork, bacon, and eggs. It looks amazing. Go ahead. Is it good? It looks good.
Hold on.
Of course, we still got a ton of biscuits to eat, too.
The pork is super tender.
That's really good. A lot of really good flavors there. Okay, I got the Hallelujah biscuit. It's an open-faced biscuit with fried chicken, which they're famous for here. Pimento cheese, gravy, bacon, and eggs. So, let's cut into this.
That looks good. That looks really good.
Yes, it does. Gotta get a bite of chicken. I don't want to eat too big of a bite. Oh my gosh.
You can't help but eat a big bite. There's so much going on.
There's so many flavors here. My chicken fell out.
This is a lot of food.
There's so many flavors here, but it is so good.
And very healthy for
Oh yeah, there's a lot of food.
a lot of food.
The chicken is crispy, fried, but tender on the inside. And the pimento cheese gives it just a little bit of kick. The bacon is perfect. The egg is perfect. I got nothing bad to say. All right, I got some gratin potato mash. Okay. It doesn't add or take away anything from the dish. It's just basically some mashed potatoes with some cheese kind of melted onto it. It's fine.
Take it or leave it.
But the biscuit is delicious. Yours good?
Mine's delicious.
All right, I'm going to give Charles a bite.
I almost got that. So,
You almost got this?
yeah.
All right, here we go.
Oh my Lord.
There's a lot going on in there, but it's so good.
Okay. Mine is really, really good. Yours is better than mine.
It's fantastic.
I would give mine a solid 9 stars, and yours is better than mine.
This is, yeah. There's a reason that this place is billed one of the best brunches in Orlando. We'd never eaten here before, so I wanted to make it a point to come try this out. I got nothing bad to say so far.
It is a little bit on the pricey side.
It is, but everything in Disney is pricey. So.
But the portions are very healthy, and everything is very...
And you get what you pay for.
And you can honestly share them.
Yeah, you could.
One of these would have been enough for both of us.
It would have.
So keep that in mind.
All right, we're digging in. Hey friends, so we just got through eating a delicious brunch here at Chef Art's Homecoming in Disney Springs. It was fantastic. It was everything that you want in a brunch and more. Delicious. Lots of yummy goodness, good portions. The only thing is you get so much food that you can't finish it all. And like today, we are leaving on a plane, so I couldn't take any of it with me. So I wasted a lot of food. So think about that when you're coming. All the dishes are easily shareable. So think about that too, that you might want to share something with your loved one or your party. But this is a fantastic place. Highly, highly recommend. I would suggest getting a reservation if you can, because it is very, very popular. We looked up and got a last minute reservation and we walked right in, but they were having a significant wait if you did not have a reservation. So keep that in mind. And you know what? Follow along. We're going to do more interesting videos. I kind of like doing these, you know, point of view, restaurant reviews, food reviews for you here on Oceaneers Travel. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you guys leave, and keep that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. But until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.